If you're one of the many people who is a mobile worker or who simply has to use your car for a million different uses, this month's solutions are for you. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you organise your car and mobile office space. If you're a return visitor, welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Your to-go kits or your laptop bag are only useful if you know how to and actually do maintain them. Here are some simple ideas to make sure your car or mobile workspace stay nice and tidy. Purge your backpack. If you're a hot desker or using a co-working space, it's best to pack light, but over time, paperwork, notes and sticky notes can add up to a lot of clutter. I recommend that you purge your backpack, satchel or laptop bag on a regular basis. If you let it go too long, purging might seem like a big task, but having a regular schedule keeps a task very manageable. Whether it's once weekly or twice a month, keep track of when you purge your mobile workspace so you know when it's time to get it all out and see what needs to go. Have a home for everything. Decide where each item goes in your bag and stick to it. If you keep your pens in the front pocket, make sure you put them back there when you're done with them. Having a home for each item means that when it's time to do a purge, you know where to put everything back. It's much easier to find things when you need them too. Treat your car like any other area of your home or office and clean up when you're done. If you grab a meal on the go, make sure all wrappers leave the car when you arrive at your next destination. Or have a trash bin in your car and empty it regularly. No more stray straw wrappers under the seat. And purge your car, just like you would your work bag. Take everything out, declutter and put things back in their homes. To declutter, remove all the belongings from your car and sort items into categories: trash, recycle, keep, donate, or things that you need to go back into the house. Put the keep items back into the car where they go and everything else where it needs to go. Maintaining a space is simple if you keep on top of it. Regularly purging and tidying are great habits to get into because they turn cleaning up the car from a frustrating weekend project into tiny tasks that you do as you go. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe and visit our website, organisetoexcel.com.